In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the underline color in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so your underlines can match your style, brand colors, or emphasis needs without affecting the regular text color. Start by highlighting the text you want to format. Click and drag across the words you want to change, or use quick selections like double-clicking a word or triple-clicking a paragraph if that's faster for you. Selecting first is important because Word applies underline settings to whatever is highlighted, so this ensures only the right text gets updated. Next, click the Underline button. You'll find it on the Home tab, in the font group, represented by a U with a line underneath. Clicking it turns on the underline for your selected text. If your text is already underlined, this step simply confirms the format and sets you up to change the underline's color. Remember, this is different from the font color button. We're specifically adjusting the line under the text, not the text color itself. Now, click the small drop-down arrow next to the Underline button. This tiny arrow opens a menu with more underline options. It can be easy to miss, so look closely to the right of the main underline icon. When you open it, you'll see different underline styles, along with controls for the underline color. From that menu, click Underline Color. This opens a palette of color choices. This is where you decide how the underline will look, independent of your font color. If you don't see the option at first, make sure the drop-down is fully expanded and that your text is still selected. Finally, choose and click a color. You'll see theme colors that match your document, as well as standard colors for quick picks. Hovering can help you preview, and clicking applies the color immediately to your highlighted text. Word will remember your last underline color choice, so the next time you underline, it will use that color until you change it again. If the color looks faint at your current zoom level, or on certain backgrounds, zoom in a bit to confirm it, or switch to a lighter theme for clearer contrast while you work. That's all there is to it. Highlight your text, click Underline, open the Underline drop-down, select Underline Color, and pick the color you want. With these steps, you can keep your document consistent, emphasize key points more clearly, and add a bit of visual polish without changing the actual text color. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!